Tropilu, 392.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Sneak Peek with Josh, back again with another one. Those of you guys that are new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe, like, comment, and share. And just get in tune. But just know, we got a heater coming soon you don't want to miss. And it might be a little early preview for those of you guys that just catching up and just staying in tune. So, that being said, watch this.
I play for Minnesota. Who is you on Tropilu? Hopping out the throwing money through the roof, and your boo is on my cock. Fucking one time, then I pass it to the bros.
Back again
Gotta do some shows.
with another one. As I said, y'all know what this is. Y'all know the vibe. As you guys know, we do have the Air Jordan 1 metallic gold patent leather. We're gonna lose this box instantly, and we're gonna jump into how much heat this one is, and y'all let me know the vibes and how y'all feel. So, releasing November 30th, they are dropping the metallic gold Jordan 1. Me personally, this takes me back to 2003 when they dropped that nice UNC pair. That was that light blue patent leather with the white toe box leather plain. And then they also had that nice Chicago, bright colorway you can never go wrong. Red patent leather with the white tone. And I also believe they had the black Nike check. This one right here, this is a prom night vibe. But instead of reminiscing, let's talk this heat. As you guys see, this sneaker did come with 2 pairs of laces, that gold tone. I don't know, I'm on the verge, it's fire, but it's a little too extreme. Plus, it doesn't go with that metallic gold check. And as you guys see on this left foot, we have the black lace. I'm gonna show you guys on feet how it looks and how it's presented from most people's perspectives, and not more so these little heighties. But this sneaker is nice, plain, gives you prom night vibes, gives you that nice toe box area that's nice and shiny. Everything about it is just a calm sneaker overall. Say a lot of shoes are calm, but this one for sure is calm state immediately, because that full tone black patent leather, not patent leather, patent, P-A-T-E-N-T, for those of you guys that keep thinking this is too different. But this is a fire shoe, down to that gold, metallic gold Nike check, that swoosh. Then we have that Air Jordan wing up here with that gold with the black lettering. And then we also have that back, it's super fire. Just seeing this gleam alone is super clean to me. But just this leather ankle support, it's a fire look overall. It's super clean. And then for those of you guys that thought it was an all black sneaker, that stitching is also gold. And it blends in perfectly, suits well with that nice, calm black, fully toned black soles, as we know. But it's very simple, it's a very calm shoe. It also takes me back to a 2017 pair that also came out, the Black History ones. Those, they were very similar, but instead of the gold stitching, it was completely black. It had also the gold metallic check, but that whole sneaker was plain leather, but it was definitely similar. I will probably have it pop up here, and you guys will see, and you guys can make the comparisons, but overall, this shoe is by far better. It's clean, and by the time you guys see this video, you guys are probably gonna be trying to go for them. Me, caught them early, shout out to one of my guys, and we just gonna keep staying in tune, and I'm gonna keep dropping this heat for you. And thank you guys for all this love and support. And by the way, we're gonna keep working, we're gonna keep glowing, we're gonna keep shining, bringing you these heaters, sleepers, and a lot of calm vibes. So stay in tune and watch out what we got cooking up next. And tune into this on foot. See ya. Peace. Ow.
Trapping off the Motorola, drive the boring like it's stolen, like it's stolen. Trapping on the Motorola. Drive the foreign like it's stolen. Like it's stolen. Ice and soda. Ice and soda. So much ice and soda. Ice and soda. Ice and soda. 392. 392.